If you want to feature a product on your website so that you can sell it faster, then you can actually use the featured product section feature right over here. So to do that, I'm just going to add a section right over here. And then on the left side, I'm just going to go down onto the featured product section right over here. So once I click on it, I can choose from a different number of layouts right over here. So I'm just going to choose the first one right over there. So once I do that, what happens is that the featured product section actually loads out and I'll be able to manage this out. So once this loads out, once you click on it, you don't go onto the manage section as in other product section, but you go on to the left side where you'll find connect to. So once you go over here, you can choose from the products that you have. So I'm just going to use this photograph right over there. So once I do that, it'll be showed out as a featured section right over there, as you can see over here. So now I'm just going to change the buy now into get now right over here, and then it'll change out as you can see right over here. And this is how you can use the featured product section. You can also go to design, of course, and work around with different layouts that you want to work with. For example, let's say I want to go for this one. I simply click on that one and it'll change the layout just like that. I can go and click on that one and it'll change the layout just like that. So this is how you can use the featured product section inside of Wix ADI. But to add in product itself, you may want to take a look at my product gallery section and product slider section tutorial if you haven't already done so that you can be more familiar with the process. And that is how you can use the featured product section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.